Hi, good morning guys, mga friends. So, unboxing my high quality telescope. It's a monocular telescope, phone lens. Okay, so it's good for bird watching and the video recording also using my smartphone. Okay, so I ordered this item from this store here. So the delivery was fast and it arrives on time, though they promised to deliver from January 30th of January to February 4, and now it's February 5 in the morning, but it's okay, it's acceptable. So I'm excited on this item. It's look very nice. On the box, it's legit. See the box. This is the box. And this is the box from the store. Okay. Then my name over there. I like their store. This is my first time I ordered items from them. Okay. See? So you have to unbox or open this item. This is my second item I ordered from them, all in one box. That box. So we'll check it out. Okay, so this is it inside. Okay, this is the phone holder. And there's a wipe. Okay. And this is the item, the telescope, the monocular telescope. I This is a 40 by 60 zoom. Okay, this one look like this. Yes. Okay, better like that. Monocular usage manual. So that is the item. Okay, so I will check. So the store is legit. The item is delivered as expected. I love it actually. I love it. And it has a wipe also inside. This is the lens wipe. So we'll check. Alright. See? Very nice. Very nice. my thing. It is advertised that this is made in the US, so I'm not too sure if really this is made in the US, but I'm expecting it that this is of high quality. Okay, the lens there. So we will put it here, here. Okay, it is nice. Okay, we'll put some of the. Okay, so that is the tripod. Okay, so we will use it like this. This is the actual, that one. Okay, so we will install the tripod. Let's see how it looks. Beautiful. Yes, very nice. That's how it looks. Alright. We will put some smartphone. Alright, so that's it, guys. You may use also this tripod here. So that's how the monocular telescope works. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to take the notification bell so that you will be notified immediately when I have new video to upload. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.